Now, Chief Meteorologist Brian Davis and live Doppler 2X, the most powerful radar in the Miami Valley.
And tonight we are checking out some rain once again breaking out across the region with the afternoon heating and still some humidity around in that upper level low. We're seeing some rain more prevalent off to the east of us as we check out Urbana, seeing some showers up that way over towards Clark County, just northeast of Xenia, up along US 42 just southwest of South Charleston, picking up some of that rain and some heavier rains just to the east of Wilmington. And again, these showers, as you can see, they're moving from the east northeast back to the west southwest, moving along there at, I'd say about 15, 20 miles an hour. So once again, as we go through this evening, could see a couple of those spotty showers, and early on this evening as well, especially before sunset, some rumbles of thunder possible too. And I mentioned, at least we should see some partly cloudy skies tonight, and the International Space Station will be viewable about 18 degrees above the northwest horizon. That'll be at about 9:42 this evening, but you only got about a 1-minute viewing time. Actually, last night I had an email in from a viewer said they saw it. There was a 5-minute window last night, but unfortunately, of course, we were in the midst of some thunderstorms here in Montgomery County when all that was going on. Our upper wind pattern, still we're more concerned with this upper level low that continues to spin across the eastern part of the country. It's still going to be meandering anywhere from the mid-Atlantic states back to the Ohio Valley as we head on through Friday. So with that upper level low and the circulation around it and cut off from our jet stream to the northwest, it's going to continue to at least bring us the chance of some spotty afternoon and evening showers and thunderstorms. But it looks like heading into the weekend and early next week, we'll finally start to see a little bit of a change in our weather pattern. Tonight, partly cloudy skies in the Dayton area, 77 degrees, northeast wind at 8, 60% the relative humidity, with that dew point still a little bit sticky at 62, and our weather checkers upper 70s to right around 80 across our northern counties. Down south, generally the same kind of pattern here where we have seen a few spotty showers, some localized cooling. Bill Telsboro over in Xenia, 77 degrees. Hope Kolke and Bellbrook, 77, but then Pat Lecan up in Trotwood at 80. Barbara Richards and Kettering also looking at an 80-degree reading tonight. More rain to the south of us, especially down towards Huntington, Charleston, West Virginia. We have readings in the 60s there. We've also had the showers around Mansfield and Columbus, keeping temperatures there in the mid-70s as well. Our dew points still kind of sticky all the way up into central and southern Michigan, but the reason I really want to show this is you can see in the northeast there's some drier air, and that is being pushed back to the south and west. So it looks like as we head towards Friday, Saturday, slightly less humid air returns to our region. But in the meantime, no real major weather makers anywhere across the country. It's been about a week and a half since we've had a cold front come through. We must be living in Hawaii with the rain coming in from the east and northeast. And that'll be the pattern, as I mentioned, this evening. Future track really not showing much of a change here. Just that little weak trough of low pressure, that in a reflection at the surface of that upper level low. And gradually, though, a little bit of drying coming in from the northeast. So we'll get back to partly cloudy skies, mostly dry weather by the time we get to Friday. Forecast tonight, best chance of seeing some rain early tonight, later tonight into the upper 50s. Once again with some partial clearing, some areas of fog tomorrow morning, but then in the afternoon, not bad, into the upper 70s. 64, 10 a.m., 72 at noon, and then we'll see just a slight chance of a shower or thunderstorm later tomorrow afternoon, early evening. And anytime you want to check it out, live Doppler 2X is at WDTN.com. Only very slight chances of rain on Friday, and right now looks like nice weather for the weekend. Those lows dropping into the 50s at night, daytime highs upper 70s to around 80.